Fall cleanup is essential for maintaining vacant properties. As temperatures drop and winter approaches, taking care of some key tasks now will protect your property and keep it in great condition, ready for renters or buyers. Today, we'll go over essential fall cleanup tips that will help you prevent costly repairs, keep your property looking appealing, and prepare it for the colder months. First, let's start with the exterior. One of the most important fall tasks is clearing leaves and debris from around the property. Leaves can clog gutters, block walkways, and make your property look unkempt. When gutters are clogged with leaves, they can't properly drain water away from the property, leading to potential water damage, especially once freezing temperatures hit. Clean out the gutters and downspouts thoroughly, and make sure they're directing water away from the foundation. Also, inspect the roof for any damaged or missing shingles and repair them as needed to prevent leaks. Keeping the exterior clean and well-maintained not only protects the property, but also keeps it looking attractive to potential tenants or buyers. Another essential task is to check the landscaping. Overgrown shrubs, trees, and plants can damage the property if they're not maintained, especially when winter storms arrive. Trim back any branches that are hanging over the roof, sidewalks, or driveways. Heavy snow or ice can cause them to break, which could damage the roof or create safety hazards. Fall is also a great time to prune shrubs and plants to prepare them for dormancy and encourage healthier growth in spring. If you have any seasonal plants or flowers, consider removing them or cutting them back to keep the landscaping neat and tidy. Moving to the yard, don't forget to rake up leaves and clear out any debris. Leaving piles of leaves on the ground can create dead patches on the lawn and attract pests. Removing leaves and fallen branches keeps the lawn healthy and reduces the chances of pests settling in for the winter. If your property has a garden area, fall is also the time to cover it with mulch to protect the soil and prevent weed growth. A clean yard signals to neighbors and potential buyers that the property is being cared for, which keeps the area looking well maintained. Next, let's focus on the HVAC system. Fall is the perfect time to have the HVAC system inspected and serviced. Since the property is vacant, you may not notice if the heating isn't working properly until it's too late. Scheduling a maintenance check now can help catch any issues before winter arrives. Change the air filters, check the furnace, and ensure the thermostat is working correctly. A well-maintained HVAC system keeps the property comfortable and prevents costly repairs down the road. Plus, having a functioning heating system can be a major selling point if you're planning to list the property soon. Another critical task for fall is winterizing the plumbing. Frozen pipes are one of the most common problems with vacant properties in winter, but they're easy to prevent. Shut off the water supply and drain the pipes if possible, especially if the property will be empty all season. Insulate exposed pipes, particularly those in unheated areas like basements or attics, to prevent freezing. If you're keeping the heat on at a low level, set the thermostat to a minimum of 55 degrees to keep pipes from freezing. This small step can save you from dealing with burst pipes, water damage, and extensive repairs in the colder months. Now, let's discuss pest prevention. As the weather cools, rodents and insects look for warm places to shelter. A vacant property can be an easy target for them. Seal up any cracks, gaps, or holes around windows, doors, and the foundation to keep pests out. Check that door sweeps and window screens are intact, and use caulk to seal any gaps around utility pipes. Also, remove any sources of standing water or food, which can attract pests. A property free of pests is essential for maintaining its value and appeal. Lastly, conduct a thorough security check. Vacant properties can be a target for vandalism, trespassing, or even theft. Inspect all windows and doors to make sure they're secure, and consider adding extra security measures like motion sensor lights or security cameras. If possible, arrange for regular check-ins or hire a property management company to monitor the property. Making the property appear cared for and monitored can deter unwanted visitors and give you peace of mind. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in maintaining vacant properties through all seasons. We handle everything from seasonal maintenance and security checks to preparing properties for showings and tenants. By keeping properties in top condition, we help owners protect their investments and ensure they're ready for occupancy whenever the time is right. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us, and let's talk. In summary, fall cleanup for vacant properties includes clearing leaves and debris, maintaining the landscaping, inspecting the HVAC system, winterizing the plumbing, preventing pests, and securing the property. By following these steps, you'll keep your property protected and well-maintained through the colder months, making it ready for future tenants or buyers. If you need help managing a vacant property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to make the process easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.